Well, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today, our topic is how to write content as a 100% plagiarism, 100% unique. That is for website, that is for every blog, and that is used everywhere. That is unique, and nobody sent us copyright strikes. Okay, so that kind of content we will write today in English. Okay. So if we will use tools like ChatGPT and others, AIPRM we used in the previous video, but when I check, then their content is not 100% unique, and they sent us some plagiarism copyright. So today we will check, we will learn how to create a content which is 100% accurate, unique, and 100% plagiarism. Okay. So if you enjoy my like my video previous video and you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And if you are new in my channel and watch my this video, and if you found my this video valuable, then please subscribe my channel and watch my previous videos. Okay. And if you want to learn this, then I will also suggest you watch my previous video, then come here. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. I am sharing with you my uh, screen. I am using PC, Chrome browser, and the Chrome browser. I am open ChatGPT. How to open ChatGPT and how to connect AIPRM with ChatGPT. If you want to learn this, then please watch my previous video. You see in the ChatGPT background, which is the name AIPRM, because you can also check here AIPRM for ChatGPT power. Okay, because I am connect AIPRM with ChatGPT, and in the previous video we will create this content, but when let's check for this plagiarism. If this if AIPRM will not create, if AIPRM was not create for content unique and 100% plagiarism, then I will tell you today how to create 100% plagiarism content. Okay, first connect AIPRM and create content from here, then check the plagiarism. Let's write here plagiarism, plagiarism checker. Okay, just clear right here, and in the third website, which is www.duplicchecker.com, just go here. When you go here, scroll down and paste here content. Okay, then again scroll down and click on I am not at a board. I am not at a board, and then click on the check plagiarism. Let's check how much uh, ChatGPT, AIPRM for ChatGPT provide us unique content. Okay, let's check the plagiarism. You will see in the background, which is plagiarism 15% and uniqueness is 35%, which is not good. We need 100% unique content. Let's check their full how much is unique and how much is plagiarism. So ChatGPT, AIPRM for ChatGPT provide us 72% unique content and 28% plagiarism, which is not suitable for website and any other platform because they will send us copyright strike, and our site is not approved, our YouTube channel is not approved. So we will need 100% unique content. So today we will discuss how to write 100%. Okay, for this open new browser, and I will share with you. Check this link. Write this undetectable in Chrome. Okay, just write this undetectable in Chrome browser. When you click the open this, then first website open here undetectable.ai. Just click on this. When you click on this, then this website is open. Just copy your uh, content from ChatGPT or AIPRM and paste this in a undetectable AI browser. Okay, when you enter here, then click on humanize. Okay, I agree, and just click on humanize. First, they will ask get started today with 250 free words. Just click on login with Google. When I click login with Google, and I will select my Gmail. Then my undetectable account is login. Okay, I again paste here my content. Click on I agree and then humanize. Insufficient balance. Your document 586 words. Your balance 250 words. Missing 36 words. So we will not want to purchase this now. So I that's my words. And now check how much word is. So missing 191 words still now. Less more less this. Now check now. Okay, this is now generated, and let's check how much is the words data less. Let's first check their humanism that we generate from ChatGPT and I less than. First check in this paragraph plagiarism. Then we will check undetectable AI.ai result. Okay. First check their result that we less. Okay. First check this. Wait a moment. So So in this, we will have 68% unique content and 32% plagiarism. Okay, and undetectable AI.ai also write content for us. Let's copy this content. Wait a moment. When this will finish, then we will check this article plagiarism. This is the same article that result is scanning here. Okay, this is same result paragraph which is scanning here, uh, and the same paragraph used here, that output they provide us. Okay, so let I will refresh this and check their plagiarism. Okay, check their plagiarism. Okay, unique, 5% unique, 21% unique, 42% unique, still no plagiarism. So this is so much amazing. They provide us full 100% unique content, which is so much amazing. 63% unique content you see in the background. When this is 100%, then we will stop here. Okay. Uh, 79% 100% unique content, no plagiarism. This is so much amazing. You will see how we will use undetectable. We will use AIPRM or ChatGPT browser to create content, and also when we will check their plagiarism, then their plagiarism is 30 to 35%. Okay, so if you use that content. for the website, then our website is not approved and any other uh, platform. Okay, so we will use we are using uh, undetectable.ai browser website and paste content here. So that website convert plagiarism content into unique content, which is 100% you see in that video. Okay, so in the free version, they are less words. When you use paid, then you will write unlimited words. Okay, so hope you enjoy my video. uh, uh, Subscribe my channel and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.